I'm going to speak about AWT in Java. AWT stands for Abstract Video Toolkit. It is an application programming interface for creating graphical user interface in Java. It allows Java programmers to develop window-based applications. ABT provides various components like button, check label, checkbox, text, etc. These are users of object inside a Java program. AWT component uses the resources of the operating system. That is, they are platform dependent, which means components view can be changed according to the view of operating system. The classes for AWT are provided by java.awt packages for various AWT components. And here is the packages provided by Java for AWT components. And here we can see the Java AWT hierarchy. The hierarchy of Java AWT classes are given below. Here we can see the object, component, and inside the component there is button, label, checkbox, choice, list, and container. And their window, for inside window there is frame and dialog, and panel there is applet. And these are some types of components that we have seen here in component. A small demonstration of each one of them. Here we can see its label, button, checkbox, scroll bar, text area, and this is a checkbox, button, and this one is the list that we can see in a real-time applications and website. Whenever we are applying something and the website is ask us to choose any one of them, maybe multiple of them. These are like that. And there is event handling, Java event handling. It means that the changing the state of an object is known as an event. For example, clicking on a button, dragging mouse, etc. The Java AWT.event packages provide many event classes and listener interfaces for event handling. Those are demonstrated here. And the event classes of action event, the event classes here and in listener interface. And the event class action event, for action event, the listener interface is action listener. And mouse event, mouse listener and mouse motion listener. And key event, key listener. And then item event, item listener. And again, event handling is a mechanism that controls the event and decided what should happen if an event occurs. This mechanism have the code which is known as event handler. This is executed when an event occurs. Java uses the delegation event model to handle the delegation event model has following key participants, mainly source and listener. Source is an object on which event occurs. Source is responsible for providing information of occurred event to its handler. Java provides us this class for source object. And in case of listener, it is also known as event handler. Listener is responsible for generating a response to an event. For Java implementation point of view, the listener is also an object. Listener waits until it receives an event. Once the event is received, the listener processes the event and then returns. These are the various steps involved in event handling. The first one is the user click on the button and the event is generated. Now the object of concerned event class is created automatically and information about the source and the event get populated within the same object. And then event object is forwarded to the method of registered listener class. And at last, the method is now get executed and returned. The two main two interfaces, listener interfaces are Java Action Listener Interface and Java Item Listener Interface. Java Action Listener is notified whenever you click on the button menu item. It is notified against the action event. The Action Listener Interface is found in java.awt.event package. It has only one method, action performed. And then Java Item Listener Interface. The Java Item Listener is notified whenever you click on the checkbox. It is notified against the item event. The Item Listener Interface is found in java.awt.event package. It has only one method, item state changing. And when we take an example of Action Listener Interface, we can see button like that. And in case of Item Listener, there is list and a checkbox, etc. And item change method is invoked automatically whenever you click or unclick on the registered checkbox component. And the syntax for it is a public abstract void item state change item event e. And then list item listener. The list component presents the user while a scrolling list of text item, and the list can be set up so that the user can choose either one item or multiple items. We have seen it many times in web applications and website when we are applying for something. We can see like this. It's a small demonstration of it. And here is a simple program for list item listener. I will also execute this too. And the output of this program is this. And here is also a window. And a for program is shown here. And we need to select any one of them. Sometimes multiple one of them are, need to be selected in the real time. And this is a small demonstration of that list item listener program. We have just discussed about what is AWT and hierarchy of AWT and various type of components in AWT and event handling. What is it? And the event classes and listener interfaces and delegation event model and source and listener. Various involved in event handling. We have also seen list item listener and executed the program regarding this list item listener. Thank you.